uPhili uzodlala namhlanje. There's no reason ukuthi angadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Is registered laphana ku-P_S_L, i-clearance ulitholile, everything is in order unless kuzoba nama-delays amancane, but I don't see uPhili engadlali namhlanje. And I think isikhathi esi-right kakhulu ukuthi uPhili adlale because i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala at home, bazomu-introduce-a kahle. Simfisela inhlanhla nje uPhili ukuthi izinto zimhambele kahle. After i-Kaizer Chiefs imgijimise isikhathi eside, une-pressure ukuthi kumele adelive immediately. Hhayi kusasa, hhayi next week, kumele adelive namhlanje if uyayithola i-opportunity. But-ke ngiyabheja ngalo mjida lona bafowethu ukuthi uzokwazi ukudeliver for i-Khosi Nation. Ngeke kube i-match elula njengoba kunabantu abafana nabo-Junior Khanya abathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke iwine vele, i-Golden Arrows izo-advance to the next stage of the competition. Hey, sobona-ke maybe uJunior Khanya bazoproveka right or bazoproveka wrong-ke, but then i-Kaizer Chiefs is better than i-Golden Arrows bafowethu. Better players, like everything ku-Kaizer Chiefs better. It's just a matter of Kaizer Chiefs players showing up on the day. Phela nje. It is. But sobona even no-coach lona khona omusha ku-Golden Arrows ukuthi i-structure sakhe, sikhumbula ukuthi i-Golden Arrows iluze ama-key players ambalwa laphana, so we're not sure ukuthi bazodlala i-game enjani, bazocontribute kanjani egamini sobona namhlanje. So I'd like to say congratulations to Ncanana. What a good performance laphana e-Orlando Amstel Arena. What a performance from yena umjida bafethu. They didn't win the game, but what a solid defense. I mean, I like the players like Ncanana. They give everything they have because baya understand ukuthi umhlaba ubukele. Millions of people were watching Ncanana. Guess what? He had a brilliant performance Orlando, and he showed ihanga ne-belief throughout the game. It was just unfortunate with well, they did not deserve to win the game because beba defender i-game yonke, but yena umsebenzi wakhe as a leader, as a defender laphana at the back ukwazile uku-organizer i-defense yakhe ukuthi ibe right, ne-structure sibe right, awuniki i-Orlando Pirates space laphana emasayidini la ingekho dangerous khona ukwazile and then as soon as they advance noma close to the box, then uNcanana baba aggressive izolo. Shout out to yena umfana, what a performance. Ngimfisela inhlanhla ukuthi ama-teams amanye amakhulu akwazi ukumbheka. Abantu abafuna ukumcindezela ngoba ama-fans mina ngazi ukuthi acabanga kanjani ngempela. Iba i-support i-team yakho, but ukhumbule ukuthi impilo yomuntu le nifuna nini ukulawula abantu ukuthi bakhulume kanjani, bakhuluma izinto ezizonivuma, but-ke I understand ukuthi baningi abantu abangali-understand ibhola abafavorayo nje kuphela, abazi nokuthi abadlali bebhola kumele bakhulume kanjani. Bafuna ukuthi babe otamatisi, but yeah, shout out to Ncanana. What a great performance from wena mfethu. Ngikufisela inhlanhla. Then ama-African champions iMamelodi Sundowns idlalile i-match difficult kakhulu, complicated. So congratulations to uMailula bafethu, ubuyile ku-Sundowns, ushaya winning goal extra time. Cabanga what a perfect time to score for yena laphana uMailula, after ama-complications wakhe laphana ku-Toronto FC nama-complications laphana eBelgium, but ubuyile ekhaya ku-Sundowns, ukwazile ukudeliver when it mattered the most, wabashayela igoli. noThemba Zwane sibonile bamfaka ngama-last minute. Singakhohlwa ukuthi nenkomo uMuthiba bamfakile, uMuthiba ngeke ngimzwele ngiyaxolisa, ngiyaxolisa umjida, hayi no. But-ke lamajida anenhlanhla afana nabo-Morris Berg une-long career over 10 years, but is not memorable. But uMuthiba uMiguel Carosi uyamthanda, uthanda ukuthi une-strength, uthanda ukuthi une-height, but-ke asazi ukuthi u-Edan ku-Sundowns ayikho nje into ayi-edayo. But I'm not God, I can only have i-opinion yami ngayo lebo Muthiba. But what I saw egamini ye-Sundowns, banama-mistake amaningi kakhulu bafethu laphana emuva bashake, but yeah, so buya kulokho sikwazi uku-addressa, sibone ukuthi maybe banga-improve kuphi kanjani. But what a performance from uKhuliso Mudau again. Khuliso Mudau noma i-Sundowns ingabashake yonke bafethu, yonke i-Sundowns, but yena uyadeliver lo mjida lo. Khona la last man khona ubone kuyi-1v1 avela lithathe kalula ibhola, no complications, ulithatha kalula, uthi uyamshiya ngeke umshiye. Yeah, umjida if yabona oKhuliso Mudau, if bathola ama-opportunities noma bakwazi ukubaspotha elabantu ngabe South Africa ngabe ku-Sundowns azange adlale nokudlala but-ke iy'nhlanhla zabantu azifani. Naku ku-Sundowns une-beautiful career emthathayo imbeke ku-global map, ku-global stage, even naku-national team ko-World Cup. So what a player, what a superstar, Khuliso Mudau. Awuseyila bafethu, hhayi ingwenya. Yabona uma sikhuluma ngey'ngwenya ebholeni lase-South Africa sikhuluma ngalo mjida lo. Before ngikhohlwa kumele ngimuvele kule congratulations to Mjida osayine ne-Sundowns omusha bafethu osayine permanent uTsiki. uTsiki-ke uyi-player good. It's very important ngike ngakhuluma ngaye emalangeni uyi-player good. But I'm struggling to understand or to figure out ukuthi ku-Sundowns uzo-contribute kangakanani. I still think uzo-struggle kufana na last season bafethu. Will still struggle. This guy will still struggle. Not because akasi good player, but because i-Sundowns inama-players agude amaningi. Ubani ozomdlalisa ku-Sundowns? Baningi ama-superstars, baningi abazoba frustrated bahlale ebhentshini. Ngibone even nale comment le beyithi laphana online uRonwen uvimbelani kulama games lawa but bekhona abanye abadlali obonayo na ukuthi wona bayi-deserve i-chance ukuthi bakwazi ukuvimba nabo, because the only time abadlali abazothola i-fair chance ukuthi abanye badlale ilama competitions lawa bafowethu. Sundowns, well, they wanna win i-MTN 8 but-ke is it a must ukuthi bawine lama cup afana no-MTN 8 because the big one i-league number 1 there. No, i-number 1 i-CAF Champions League, then i-number 2 i-league. Iyo ma-cup abawadlalelayo ay-important kakhulu for bona laphana ku-Sundowns. I-defense i-Sundowns bafethu kumele ikwazi ukuba right. Izolo banike ubani uKigen i-opportunity laphana emuva. Ngazi wenza ama-dress noma wenzeni but ulukile noma ngathi uqinile. Hayi, defense yabo ayikho solid bafethu. They can't, angazi noma i-communication noma yini. uRonwen, the way they conceded, man, from a corner abakwazi uku-communicate, babe ne-structure esi-right, babheke amanye ama-play ukuthi akuphi. Like they conceded amagoli ayi-2 from ama-set pieces. Poor defense or i-awareness yabo beyifile laphana ku-Sundowns. But into important ukuthi bakwazile ukuwina i-game, ba-advance to the next stage of the competition la bazo. Mina I just wanna see ama-big teams bafethu idlala. Mina ngifuna ukubona ama-big teams, ngifuna ukubona i-Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates, Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs or vice versa. But ngifuna ukubona ku-MTN 8 semi-final i-match e-big, i-match ezo-divide i-country, i-match ezokwazi ezosenza nathi on the ground sikwazi ukuba nama-conversations, sikwazi ukukhuluma. And yabona i-defense ye-Sundowns ilo ishake kanjani bafethu. Kusasenama-player afana nabo Khoza obonayo na ukuthi uzoyinikani uKhoza i-Sundowns. But-ke umuntu akalahlwa, maybe this season kungabe isizini yakhe serious. Sundowns-ke sibonile bafethu emalangeni angithi bikhulume ngokuthi ba-retire unumber 8. Kule season lesiya kuyi-number 8 ngeke bakwazi ukumnika any player, whether lisha or i-player lakudala, but-ke okwamanje ba-retire inumber. I like the fact that bayi-retire for just one season kuphela. Then 2027, 2028 izobuya inumber ibe available. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendlela uJayden ahambe ngayo, but alale kahle umfowethu, alale ngokuthula somkhumbula. Ne-Golden Arrows-ke bafethu izithi izolo i-announce i-player Fabich ukuthi sefikile-ke ku-Golden Arrows ebholeni lase-South Africa la expected ukuthi ajoyine adlale man ku-Betway Premiership. If uyakwazi ukuperforma kahle uzohamba bafethu ayodlala overseas. So there's no reason ukuthi lo mdlali lona angadlali overseas noma angabuyeli overseas. Futhi ku-overseas-ke sekazobuyela ku-team e-better if uyakwazi ukushayina lana ebholeni lase-South Africa. He's still young, so ibhola lase-South Africa limnika ama-opportunities a-serious global. Teboho Mokoena, Enoba Sadien. Okay, siqale ngoTeboho Mokoena. What a good performance, what a great performance from yena uTeboho Mokoena izolo. Uyi-player elinga give up. Lo muntu ulimele, bephuma negazi laphana enyaweni, but still akafune ukureplace. Hayi ukuthi uthintekile manje sokumele aphume or bamreplace, no. La sikhuluma ngesoja for i-team, sikhuluma ngomuntu if like maybe angalimala e-Sundowns ngaba senkingeni serious, because i-commitment yakhe bafethu uTeboho Mokoena uyabona ukuthi no, i-commitment e-serious la. Lo muntu lona uzolwela i-team, lo muntu lona u-serious every game and uyayi-respect i-game and ne-game izomrespecta back and izomrewarda even more. Naye uTeboho Mokoena ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu. Lo mjito oyinkinga eMaleshebo, kodwa naye ngalamagoli wakhe uyi-6/8 but-ke uyakwazi ukuba advance aye laphana eboxini lama-opponents and agcine kwazile ukuwashaya amagoli serious. So as for Obasadien, I think decent performance from Obasadien, to be fair. Let's hope izomnika ilokhunjana izomnika just nje confidence heading to the new season, or heading to different competitions laphana kuSundowns abazowadlala. Obasadien, I think it was the best performance yakhe since efikile kuSundowns, because uyambona ngathi he's finding his feet and uzoba right kakhulu for i-Yellow Nation. So mbona-ke laphana bafethu mfethu, but hayi noma ngimbukele I was impressed. I was like, okay, ngathi uObasadien lona besimazi-ke lona through ama-performances wakhe, but abanye abaperforme kahle for iSundowns. Okay, ulo ongene late Aubrey Modiba, but sibonile aba-advance laphana seqala even nokushaya laphana epalini. Sundowns were desperate to win the game, like enough bakwazile ukuwina. South Africa sinabo Rev, lo mjida akusu Rev ngeke. Yazi ubheka i-decision yakhe uyawadoubt amanye ama-decisions, uyasaba ukuthatha ama-decisions bafethu. So if soba nalamajita lawa, is one of the best in fact eSouth Africa, I think even on the continent. But mawumbheke Jaja la ekhaya, hayi uyabona ukuthi no. Umuntu o-calculative khona, okay, kumele akhiphe i-yellow card, akayikhiphi ngoba sekayitholile i-yellow. Ubone na ukuthi no, khona la enza khona uthola ukuthi uzokwenza imistake, so kumele ayikhave imistake kuma-oppositions, futhi nakhona anika ama-opposition into ekungasiyo i-free kick. So asinabo Rev, but sithemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga so-improve, but ngala majita lawa ngeke siye ndawo, because into ebalulekile i-fan base thina ama-fans sifuna ukubona abo-Rev babe fair, babe nawo amaphutha abo-Rev, but kuba amaphutha owabona ukuthi leli bokunzima ukuthi ngili-avoid nami as umuntu, but hayi la majita hayi ngiyala. Polokwane City announce iplayer elisha bafethu, Philanda noma ubani lo mjita lo, but-ke bamreplace first half. Ihlazo phela bafethu bakureplace first half, you don't even finish like ihalf yokuqala. I think bamreplace replacement, yes, bamreplace ngaboma 30 something minutes cabanga. So I think it was a tactical decision from the technical team ukuthi bamreplace umdlali, but you could tell na ukuthi I was embarrassed ukuthi bavele bamreplace nje kanjalo. Bafaka, I think bafaka uModise, yes, bafaka uModise mebamreplace laphana, because babonile ukuthi no ba-consider careless laphana, bekumele bashintshe i-shape yabo lapha kuPolokwane City, and I think leyo nto leyo ikwazile ukubasebenzela. Akufananga bafethu, to be honest, ikwazile ukuholda i-Sundowns ukuthi ingabi too dangerous against iPolokwane City. Hard luck to iPolokwane City, but yeah, they fought. And the fact that bakore kuqala, uyabona ukuthi no i-team ezolwa lena throughout this season. Usibizi we-Orlando Pirates ulimele, blessing le for i-Orlando Pirates bafethu, blessing enkulu kabi ukuthi umjida, well, akukho mnandi ukuthi i-player limale, but I think bazokwazi maybe ukufaka oZulu, ubani uMchabatsane, sobona ukuthi bazoshape kanjani noma bazomisa kanjani laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, since i-captain yabo ilimele ingekho. But-ke mina from esayidini lami, hayi, they don't need ukapteni, they can do without yena. Sobona i-Orlando Pirates iphinde ileke ku-striking department bafethu. Yabona strike, i-Orlando Pirates desperate ukuthi ithole i-strike, so i-strikers zakhona yizo eziletha i-Orlando Pirates down. But I guess okay, uMbuthuma kumele bamrelease bafethu, ngeke kumele bamrelease. I-transfer market ivalwa September, bayamnika ama-opportunities njalo. If akadeliver i-Orlando Pirates, maybe ngeke babe ne-choice, just kumele bamrelease yena umfowethu, because ayikho uMbuthuma into ayenzela i-Pirates. Since nje efikile uyabona na ukuthi ayikho into engathi hayibo i-strong ayenzela i-Orlando Pirates, ukudeliver wakhe uyabona ukuthi I don't know man, what is it about uMbuthuma, because noma ufaka u-Radio Pani naye akanalo i-short, ama-first touch wakhe kwesinye isikhathi amletha down. Ungwana sesinayo i-defending striker, umuntu ongakwazi ukushaya amagoli.